Looking to get the most out of Dola AI? Yeah, it has some amazing features that can save you time, boost your productivity, and help you create content faster. In this guide, I'll explain the best features of Dola AI and how to use them effectively. Feature 1: AI Writing Bots. Dola AI has specialized bots for blogs, scripts, emails, and social media posts. They can generate content quickly and efficiently, making writing almost effortless. Feature 2: Templates and saved prompts. You can save prompts for recurring tasks and reuse them anytime. It's perfect for regular content like newsletters or social media posts. Feature 3: Generate multiple outputs at once. Instead of creating content piece by piece, Dola AI lets you produce several variations with a single click. This saves tons of time and gives you options to choose from. Feature 4: Customizable AI settings. You can adjust tone, style, and content length to suit your needs. This makes your outputs more accurate and professional. Feature 5: Automation. Reuse prompts, schedule recurring tasks, or generate content automatically. Automation speeds up your workflow and ensures consistency. Finally, review and edit tools. You can polish AI-generated content quickly, making it ready to publish without wasting time. And that's it. Use AI writing bots, templates, batch generation, customizable settings, automation, and editing tools. These features make Dola AI a powerful tool for content creation and productivity.